So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the notification bell so you'll get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And one more thing, yeah, whatever, just do follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my channel. I am back with new videos. I'm definitely promising you to make new more videos. And yeah, let's move to the video. So the chords we are using C sharp, so C sharp, F, G sharp. The next chord is D, so D, F sharp, A. So these two chords only, that's it. Yeah, now let's move to the song. So the song will start from C sharp. It's like, lucky, lucky girl. So come on D, and from here, she got married to a boy like you. And come on D, she'd kick you out if she ever knew. Then come on D again, but although you would tell me that you, come on C sharp, do. So this is the first verse. Now let's move to the next part. Now come on C sharp again. It's like, dirty, dirty boy. You know that everyone talking on the scene. So scene, then. So the third line is quite different. So it's like, come on D again. I hear them whispering about the places that you've been, and how you don't know how to keep your business clean. Come on C sharp. And then again, mommy don't know. So again, come on F sharp, and it's like, mommy don't know daddy's, come on A, getting hot. F at the body shop. C sharp, doing something unholy. Then come on G sharp, it's like, he sat back while she's dropping it. Then again, come on F, she be popping it. Then come on C sharp, yeah, she put it down slowly. That's it. Then come on C sharp, and C sharp to G sharp. It's like, oh, oh. Come on D, he left his kids at, come on C sharp, oh, so he can get that. Come on F sharp, mommy don't know daddy's getting home at the body shop, doing something unholy. So yeah guys, I think this is the main popular section of the song which is viral everywhere. So if you want more, you can just comment down below. I don't know. Okay, and now let's move to the chords. So chords are like very simple. So it's like, so yeah, these are the chords we have, like C sharp and D. If you find any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. Now, yeah, if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am back. So yeah, bye.